Right guys, so today I'll try and make you meet someone. uh, he's a workshop owner and he has just opened up this workshop in Indirapuram, Ghaziabad. So people who are in and around this area, people who are based out of East Delhi maybe, can actually visit this place. Very nice people to talk to. They would do anything for you most of the case. In most of the times, you can bring in most of the bikes. They would service big bikes. In general, they would service your KTMs, your Bajajes, your Hero motorcycles, and everything else in between. So this guys are called Service Circle. So you can see these are the brands that they can service. Pretty comprehensive, I can say. They've got ample parking, and somehow you have got a small restaurant that you can have a meal with. Let's go in. That's the reception area. You can sit there, and this is the workshop area. This has got 3 bays. Got a washing area. Decent place to get your bike serviced, or for that matter those emergency services that if at all you require any time. Right guys, so I have got Hemant with me, who who owns this service circle. Beautiful place, as I said before. He will run through actually right now with whatever stuff he does in his workshop.
Right.
Over to you, Hemant.
Hi guys, this is Hemant. I work around in service circle. I own it also, but I can say we do each and everything in two wheelers.
Right.
It's not about only bikes or scooters. We do from old scooters, even scooties, normal bikes, sports bikes also. We do servicing, repairing,
Right.
engine works, everything we do, and we have a personalization works also. If someone needs some mechanical work, we personalize. We are going to make.
Yeah,
saddle
so guys, I have planned to get saddle stays which are custom made for my Xpulse. There is a reason behind it. The reason is, if you see on the right hand side, there is this exhaust routing for which all of these companies which are there in the market making saddle stays, the right hand side of the saddle stay is bigger than the left hand side, and that's something that I really don't like. So I have already told him the specifications, and he is going to get it made for me. So the saddle stays, we are also planning to do some adjustable, foot brake levers and the gear lever. In case of a fall, that shouldn't be an issue. Then after that, so different kinds of stuff can be made here. If you guys also know, I have another motorcycle which is the Triumph Street Triple, and we would be trying to make a body kit onto it some time later. So this is the first time really we are here, and that's why I was so impressed about the workshop. They're so friendly that this vlog. Again, over to you. He would actually say right now that what are the prices, average prices of motorcycle servicing and stuff like that, and what are the stuff that they use.
If I talk about average pricing, we have a price list over here for all the bikes. General bikes, we don't have pricing for sports bikes.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
So in this we include motor engine oil. For every bike, let
Right.
it be a scooty or a bike, we use only motor engine oil.
Right.
What was recommended by company, the
Right.
specifications. Okay. Then we have oil filters. For scooters, we use gear oils. For every
Right.
service, we do replace gear oils because no one replaces gear oils.
Right.
Even in service centers, they doesn't replace it.
Right.
I know some people will say it is not necessary to replace every 10 gear oil because it runs for even 3 years or
Right.
till 20 kilometers. But I believe what is the issue if we can replace it in the same pricing? So we do everything. Servicing depends from bike to bike, and the prices differ.
Right.
With the oil and in general servicing, we open both the wheels, clean the drums, air drums, brake shoes,
Right.
and fit it back again. And we open the clutch lever, accelerator lever. okay, we first clean it with lube it with petrol completely from inside, and then again we lube it with oil, so that the working of the accelerator cluster will be smoother.
Right.
If it is not, necessary to change. So we do these things, and our prices include everything, like washing, polish, premium polishing. It's inclusive of all the prices what we have, and we do, especially some people believe that normal washer doesn't do bullets.
Right.
We do all kind of bullets.
Okay.
We do even the old model bullet, the left hand side brake.
Bullet guys, they do all kinds of bullets.
The left hand side brake bullets and the older models. So we have a customer, we service 1973 model.
Wow.
So we do those also, and we do even sports, like we have done Kawasaki 650, Ninja 650. On our Instagram page, we have photos of that.
Right.
And we have changed like Triumphs, many work also. We have done that, and many
Yeah,
other
so
sports bikes.
guys, you can actually see the prices. So all of the prices are here. Just an average KTM Duke 390 and RC 390 with a Motul 7100.
700.
Motul 7100 oil would cost you about 2300, which is kind of absolutely on par, and they are actually using Motul 7100, which is a better oil. Except for that, I also see something called Yamaha R3, which they service for 3800, which is dirt cheap compared to if you are really going to the service center. Also, I think it's a flat rate that you charge for sports bikes for general service. If we can bring in the kit, the service kit, they would service it for
The only the labor part.
only the labor part.
We can sell it for maximum like 1,000 rupees. Only the service.
So,
part.
so you can see that if you source just the oil filter, the air filter, everything else. So the labor that the company normally charges of about 4,500 rupees, depending on the brand that you own of a super bike. They would charge you 1,000 rupees. So and they would do as good a job. I can tell you that. I can promise you that because they have done my bike too. So I think all in all, anybody who is in and around from Indirapuram, nearby Noida, or East Delhi, you can easily come into this place, check out the place. Do let me know if you actually check out the place. Do let me know if this video helped you out, and if it did, I'm glad. We are all glad that you would be finding something really nice here. So that's all. That's all from me in this video. We would go ahead and show you a lot more modifications and different other stuff that we have planned for both my motorcycles. So you can watch out for my next videos. Please do subscribe, like if you actually like the video. If you did not, do comment into the comment section why you actually dislike the video. That's about it. Ciao from me. Cheers.
Bye.
Bye.